Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to make your trade account a private account. So by default, as it is a public, so I will show you in my mobile screen how to make it private. Open your trade account. So here I have opened mine. So on the top right, you can see two lines are there. So just click on this, and here you will see the option as privacy. You need to click on this, and you need to click on private profile. So here you need to enable this. So once you will enable, your trade account will be private. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.